Hi guys, welcome to TerraBird. Have you ever wondered whether you could change the size of your icons and UI to be smaller or larger to better suit your screen size? Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you quick and easy steps to do this without installing any apps or rooting your device. Let's get into the video. First of all, open your Settings app. Scroll down to the bottom and select System Settings. Select the developer options, and if can't find this setting, scroll down and select the About Phone option. Quickly tap the Build Version option until it says you're now a developer. Go back and open Developer Options. Scroll down until you find an option which says Smallest Width. Click on it and change the number there. As you can see, if I put 500 there, my screen contents become smaller and everything else becomes smaller. You can do this on a device that has a larger screen or a tablet. Now let's change the number to 100. As you can see, everything is now very large. If you have eyesight issues, you can use this to increase visibility of your screen contents. Now you can change these numbers until you find your preferred screen resolution. That's it guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.